This is actually my first Super Summit. It was recommended by my partners to come join, and I'm glad I did, and not disappointed for sure.
My name is Alex Slabov. I'm the founder of Creed. We're a technology company focused on commercial real estate capital markets, and it's a really exciting adventure we're on. It's phenomenal to be here.
We've met 5 family offices that are new, and then we see some old ones that we've been developing a relationship with.
I think I came to an event from Family Office Club 3 years ago in San Francisco. So that was my first introduction to the community. And then from there, we joined as charter members and are actively, looking at events. We have a relatively junior investor relations person on the team, so she's really benefited from some of the seminars that the Family Office Club has put on. And for us, it's about networking as we grow the business over the next several years.
It's been phenomenal, and first of all, I want to acknowledge Richard Wilson for everything that he has done. This event is phenomenal, the organization is phenomenal, and even the people here are phenomenal.
We want to say thank you to Richard. Richard's done an outstanding job here. He's been super supportive. All the questions we asked, he got back with us quick. He gave us some FaceTime here, gave us great advice on the best way to connect with these people so they can see what we're doing, so we can see what they're doing, work together, and oh my gosh, I can't imagine what we're going to be doing here moving forward. So we're really excited.
I would recommend this event to anyone I know that is caring and intentional about what their life is going to be and should be.